Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video that's starting yet again inside of my bathroom. My name is Mariah. If it's your first time here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you check out make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you check out some of my older videos. This video that we are going to be doing today is going to be probably a long-awaited video that several people have been asking for. I'm going to be doing my long-awaited wash and go, but this one is going to be special because as you guys can see, we are reverting from straight back to our curly curls, hoping that everything bounces back exactly the way that it should. If you've been watching my more recent videos, then you will know that I recently put an order in for a Dyson hairdryer. I am so tired of having to air dry my hair, waiting 2 and 3 hours for it to actually dry. I am so excited that I was able to get my hands on a Dyson. It finally arrived today. Let me go ahead and grab it for you guys right now. This is the one that I got. I already added the diffuser attachment that it comes with. As you guys know, it comes with a few different attachments. It just snaps right on. It's magnetic. It has the power button on the back, the cooling setting. This side right here controls the speed of the airflow, and then this side right here controls the temperature. This Dyson came with a 1-year warranty, as I believe many of their products do. It didn't give me the option of extending the warranty, but I'm hoping that I will not need to do that because we're going to take very good care of this machine right here because it definitely was an investment. It was not cheap. I'm just very excited that I have it. So as I was saying, we are going to be reverting from this curly, greasy, disgusting mess of a hair to our curls, and hopefully this will be a very seamless transition. But to assist us in the process, I actually was in Target last week and I picked up one of my favorite masks. It's by Shea Moisture, the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I loved this mask when I was first transitioning my hair from heat damage or heat trained hair back to its natural curly texture. What we are about to do is we're gonna hop into the shower and I'm going to wash my hair. I actually believe that I was recently sent some new products. Let me double check that. They sent me their hydrating cleanser, hydrating conditioner, their shaping cream, and then finally they sent me a replenishing mask. So I think I'm probably gonna end up using these two things here to wash and condition my hair. Then we're gonna go in with our Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair mask. We're gonna leave this probably on for like a good 30 to 35 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse that out and then we will talk about stylers and other products. I am really keeping my fingers crossed that I don't have any heat damage. I'm anticipating that I probably will have some on this side of my hair just because the curls on this side are already a little bit looser than the rest of my hair. And so if anything, it will definitely look like this side has the heat damage. So, and say a prayer for your girl that we don't have heat damage. I know that I straightened my hair way too much, way too often over the last 3 months, but God, I'm just praying that you forgive me and make sure that my curls pop back up. Okay, so let's wash our hair. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair and as you guys can see, this is what my hair is looking like with no product. And just as we anticipated, this side is looking pretty good. I see that my curls pretty much pop back with no issues. This side, I see a few straighter pieces, as I'm sure you all do as well. Thankfully, I wear my hair, or I have been wearing my hair in a side part, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to finger coil the pieces that are looking a little bit more dull or that need a little bit more help, and we'll be able to blend that. The next step in this process is that I'm going to put in some deep conditioner. So I'm just gonna take a clump of it, as you guys can see, rub it through my fingers and really focus in on especially this side of my hair because like I said, this is where I notice that my curls are a little bit looser and they need a little bit more love. I'm really focusing on the parts of my hair that I know need the most moisture, the most love, a little bit of TLC. I would ordinarily put a shower cap or a plastic bag on, but somehow I'm out of both of those. I don't have either one right now, so we're just gonna have to improvise and just use a towel, which is completely fine. You guys, in the comment section down below, let me know if you've been waiting for this natural hair routine from me. I feel like that's the main reason why people started following my channel or my Instagram, especially because most of my Instagram I know was interested in the curls, the natural hair journey. I love my hair, don't get me wrong. I prayed and worked so hard to get these curls back from where they used to be when I was constantly straightening my hair or doing blowouts, and when my hair would not even curl to save its life. But I don't want to just be known for like my hair, if that makes sense. I love interior design, I love interior decorating, I love designing spaces, I love food. But I don't want my channel or just like my journey in general to just only be about my hair. So that's why I've been putting out content aside from natural hair stuff, just because I want y'all to see that your girl is dynamic, okay? She has so much to offer aside from just natural hair content. Although I love sharing that stuff because, like I said, there was a point in my life when I was hair obsessed. Like when I tell you obsessed, all I did was live, breathe, and like think about my hair. My friend Dom, I'm actually gonna plug her here right now. Love her so much. I used to talk to Dom all the time about my hair, like to a point that I'm sure that she was annoyed, because she's also a fellow curly haired gal, naturalista, knows so many amazing things. She's actually the one that put me onto this hair mask and was telling me to use it when I was transitioning. But she is also a dynamic woman. She's evolved on her journey as well. Her and her husband own their own wines. Right now they have out a rosé and I believe a Sauvignon Blanc. I know that they have those two, and they're working on a red wine special that your girl is so excited for, because you know that I love red wine. But yeah, what was I saying? Your girl has so much more to offer. So I hope that you guys subscribe and you stick around to see what that will be and what we will evolve into together. I'm gonna give you a little spin just so you can see what the curls are looking like. I will check back in with you guys after we rinse out this deep conditioner. Hey guys, remember when I said that I was only gonna leave this mask in for 30 minutes? It's been like an hour and a half. It is now time to wash this mask out. I'll come back to you guys once I am gonna start styling my hair. I will show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead, wash this out, and then I will come back with you guys to see what we're looking like, and of course to use our Dyson. Okay guys, I just washed out the deep conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like with no product. I am pleasantly surprised. Like I mentioned earlier, I do see some pieces that are a bit straighter than we would like them to be. In terms of product, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you should already know my go-to concoction. It is the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream mixed with the Natural Pudding Souffle. And then I also use a little bit of the Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Milk. Another fave of mine is Terra Veda Organics Curl Definer. I like to go in sections, so I typically will just split my hair in half, and then I will split the bottom half of my hair into another half, and then I just work with this smaller section of my hair, layering the Camille Rose Naturals. Then I go in with the curl defining cream. Since I want to incorporate this curl definer into the routine as well, I'm gonna skip on the curl defining cream and just layer that instead. And when I'm putting the products into my hair, I like to make sure that my hair is damp. So I'm gonna grab a spray bottle and actually spritz my hair down before I actually layer those products on. I like to use the shingling method, I think it is, or the smoothing method, and then I actually take my fingers and kind of like, I think this is shingling, maybe. Just like activate the curl. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair, and I'll come back when I'm like more towards the top, and yeah, we'll be back.
Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so we just finished putting all of our stylers in. Our hair is layered. Now comes the test of time. Oh, we get to use our little Dyson. I'm so excited to use this. You guys already know. From what I can remember, I want to dry my hair on the high speed but on low heat. Don't want to hold it like too close to my hair, but just gonna continuously move it around, and then yeah, hopefully it dries relatively quickly. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser for the first time. I absolutely love the Dyson diffuser because it cut my drying time down significantly. Highly recommend. So these are my results. As you guys can see, my curls bounced right back. They are super defined, but I still have a lot of volume. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me in the future.